This presentation is about the role of the pancreas in the liver. First, we have to know where the pancreas is actually located in the human body. The pancreas is an organ that is about 6 inches in length and lies behind the stomach in the back of the abdomen. The head of the pancreas is on the right side of the abdomen and is connected to the duodenum. As we know, the duodenum is the beginning of the small intestine. The tail of the pancreas is on the left side of the abdomen. The pancreas is an organ that contains both types of the secretory epithelium, the endocrine epithelium and the exocrine epithelium. The endocrine epithelium include the hormones insulin and glucagon. The exocrine epithelium include enzymes and also the sodium bicarbonate that is needed for the actual digestion. These exocrine epithelium contain small lobules called acini. These acini have ducts, and these ducts from the acini are the ones that actually secrete the sodium bicarbonate that is needed for the digestion. Whereas acinar cells secrete the digestion enzymes that is needed. The pancreas requires certain signals in order to release the enzymes that were just previously discussed. Some of these signals include the distension of the small intestine, the presence of food in the intestine, neural signals, or the presence of the gastrointestinal hormone CCK. After the pancreas receives these signals, the enzymes have to be activated once entered the intestine. The activation actually starts when the enteropeptase converts the inactive trypsinogen into active trypsin. The trypsin then converts all the other enzymes to the active forms that are needed for digestion. Now we can move on to the liver. The liver is actually the largest internal organ in the human body, weighing around 3.3 pounds in a grown adult. The liver is located right under the diaphragm on the right side of the body. This can be difficult to palpate at times because the liver is protected by the rib cage. So the liver contains cells called hepatocytes. Each hepatocyte is put into units called lobules. These hepatocytes secrete the bile. The components of the bile are bile salts. These bile salts facilitate the fat digestion. Bile pigments, which are the waste products of the hemoglobin degradation. Cholesterol, which is secreted in the feces, and drugs and medications that we all take are excreted from the blood running through the hepatic processing, which we will discuss on a further slide. So I want to discuss the actual liver function put into easier words so we can understand them. So the blood enters the liver bringing nutrients and other substances from the stomach or digestive tract. the bilirubin, and the metabolites. The liver then excretes some into the bile, and then some is stored and or metabolize the other substances for later use. Some of the liver's wastes are removed by the kidneys. Some of the liver waste aren't actually waste, such as the important nutrient that we need, glucose. The liver also synthesizes plasma proteins. So the liver relies on numerous pathways, organs, etc. to function properly. This is where we're going to talk a little bit about the hepatic processing. The common hepatic duct, the common bile duct, hepatic artery, and hepatic portal vein. The common hepatic duct takes the bile made in the liver to the gallbladder for storage. The common bile duct takes bile from the gallbladder to the lumen of the small intestine. The hepatic artery brings the oxygenated blood containing metabolites from the peripheral tissues to the liver. And the hepatic portal vein has absorbed nutrients in the blood from the gastrointestinal tract and also contains hemoglobin breakdown products from the spleen. This is also where the blood leaves the liver by the hepatic portal vein. I hope this short presentation helped explain the role of the pancreas and the liver with the digestive system. Here is a slide of my works cited. Have a great day.